The Taloor bird, a small avian wonder, graces the diverse landscapes of Pakistan with its presence. Its melodious calls echo through forests, meadows, and even urban gardens, captivating those lucky enough to hear them. These birds, often overlooked due to their diminutive size, play a crucial role in the delicate balance of their ecosystems. Despite their inconspicuous nature, Taloor birds are a testament to nature's artistry. Their vibrant plumage and intricate songs are a source of wonder for birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts alike. In this exploration, we delve into the world of the Taloor bird in Pakistan, uncovering the secrets of its habitat, behavior, and the challenges it faces in an ever-changing world. Join us as we uncover the remarkable life of this tiny yet magnificent creature. Taloor birds exhibit remarkable adaptability, thriving across a spectrum of habitats within Pakistan. From the lush green forests of the north to the arid plains of the south, these birds have carved their niche. In the foothills of the Himalayas, they find refuge amidst towering pine trees and rhododendron forests, their calls echoing through the misty air. Further south, they navigate the challenges of the Indus River Delta, a labyrinth of waterways and mangrove forests. Their adaptability is a testament to their resilience, allowing them to flourish in environments as diverse as bustling cities and serene countryside. Each habitat presents unique challenges and opportunities, shaping the life cycle and behavior of these remarkable birds. The Taloor bird, though small in stature, possesses a captivating beauty. Its plumage, a tapestry of vibrant hues, varies slightly depending on the species and region. Males often sport striking colors, with combinations of emerald green, sapphire blue, and ruby red adorning their feathers. Females, while more subdued in their coloration, possess an understated elegance with their earthy tones and intricate patterns. Their small, sharp beaks are perfectly adapted for their diet, allowing them to extract insects and seeds with precision. Recognizing a Taloor bird requires a keen eye and an ear attuned to their distinctive calls, which vary from melodious trills to sharp chirps, often serving as communication signals within their flocks. Section 4. Masters of Adaptation. Taloor birds have evolved a range of behavioral adaptations that allow them to thrive in Pakistan's diverse environments. Their diet, primarily consisting of insects, seeds, and fruits, varies depending on the available resources in their specific habitat. They are highly social birds, often forming small flocks that move together in search of food and nesting sites. Their nests, intricate structures woven from twigs, leaves, and spider silk, are often hidden amongst dense foliage, providing protection from predators. During the breeding season, males engage in elaborate courtship displays, their vibrant plumage on full display as they sing and dance to attract a mate. Section 5. The struggle for survival. Despite their adaptability, Taloor birds face numerous threats to their survival in Pakistan's rapidly changing landscape. Habitat loss due to deforestation, urbanization, and agricultural expansion poses a significant challenge, shrinking their natural ranges and fragmenting their populations. The indiscriminate use of pesticides in agriculture further endangers these birds, contaminating their food sources and impacting their reproductive success. Climate change, with its unpredictable weather patterns and increasing frequency of extreme events, adds another layer of complexity to their struggle for survival. The Taloor bird's story is a poignant reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things and the importance of preserving biodiversity. Section 6. Guardians of the Taloor. Recognizing the plight of the Taloor bird, conservation organizations and individuals are working tirelessly to protect these avian jewels. Efforts are underway to raise awareness about the importance of Taloor birds and their role in maintaining healthy ecosystems. Community-based conservation programs empower local people to become stewards of their natural heritage, promoting sustainable practices that benefit both people and wildlife. Reforestation initiatives aim to restore degraded habitats, providing vital corridors for Taloor birds and other wildlife to thrive. The journey to secure a future for the Taloor bird is long and fraught with challenges, but the dedication of those working to protect them offers a beacon of hope. By understanding the threats they face and supporting conservation efforts, we can all play a role in ensuring that the melodious calls of the Taloor bird continue to grace the skies of Pakistan for generations to come.